Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from VSGO. Now this here is their Black Snipe EDC light. Now the model number of this is the V-BP01-A4E. Now they sent this to me, they wanted me to test and review this light. Probably one of the most interesting lights that I've had my hands on in quite a while. So let's wait no further. Let's go ahead and open this up, see what's in. It's always neat to get these new lights from companies, especially ones that are just starting out. Get one user manual, front and back. Nothing really on the back. I'll try to bring these as close as I can. Now the main LED is 130 lumens and side light is 30 lumens. So those are the light outputs there. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause screen. Otherwise we're going to move along. Here's the USB charging cable, Type-C. Again, this is one of the neatest lights I've seen in quite a while. There it is. And here's the main LED here, and you've got the side lights here. This is really a neat concept. Now this here can come away, so you can use it hands-free. Clip it on your side if you want. Use it as a keychain light if you wish. You've got a knife here. It's not too sharp at all. Probably could sharpen it a little bit if you wish. Got the side switch there to power it on. Again, this is pretty powerful magnet, so let's check it out here. So if you need something working on the car or an emergency, that's not going anywhere. This thing is pretty strong. It's got its name here as well. Here's the charging port here. Style and design on this is nice. And the build quality on this is nice as well. Really compact. So you definitely want to put this on your key ring, because this here does break away. It's got a little bit of force there, but if you're needing it, just clip on your side inside your shirt. Should do fine. Well, normally I would open it up, show you the battery that it comes with, but it's a sealed unit. So now let's go through the UI. Now, because this is such a low lumen light, I'm going to show you the night shots in my garage. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on here. And you got the main LED here. Cool white. More of a flood when you further out you get, it's pretty much all flood. 130 lumens. And press and hold to turn on the side lights. Wow, those are actually pretty bright. Nice. They say it's only 30 lumens on the... That definitely looks brighter than 30 lumens. You got the flash. And you've got red LEDs, so it's a multicolored LED. These side lights are impressive. So maybe I got it confused on the chart, but I thought it said the side LEDs were only 30 lumens, but it might be the other way around. Press and hold turns that off, because this light here seems like it's only 30 lumens. So maybe they're referring this as the main LED. Normally they mean this one. But in any case, you get better run times on this other LED. Press and hold turns on these side lights. These things are incredible. That looks brighter than 130 lumens. Really hard to test this type of beam with a ceiling bounce. So let's see here. Get to the highest, press and hold. Yeah, it doesn't do anything, so you have to go through all the modes. Press and hold. See if we can press and hold to turn this off. And you can go right out of that side lamp a lot easier. And that's all there is to this light. Definitely great for EDC. And you can keep this with your keys. Use this ring on there, add it to your keys. A nice idea. Feels like rugged build quality on this as well. Alright, well, let's take this little black Snipe EDC light out into my garage. See how it does. We are out here in the darkness of my garage with the little black Snipe EDC flashlight. Let's go ahead and get started here. We'll do the side lights first. See there? Try not to block them here. There we go. Nice, large area. Yes, this is my garage. It's a man's world here. I'm going to go up to the next level. A little jump. As you can see, plenty of light output coming out of this thing. And then you got one step up there. Very nice, large and wide. And of course you've got the blinking. We'll right back to the lowest. So now let's turn on the main LED, the little one there in the front. So you can see the light is pretty much flood, but a little bit more narrow of a beam. There's the next light output there. Pretty wide. And then there's the highest output there. And if you don't have any light, this is quite a bit of light. More than enough for most emergencies. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots of this little guy. What a neat little concept for a keychain light or a little side light if you want to carry it that way. You can hands-free it at any time. Even with your keys on there, this thing is going to stick to the refrigerator if you want to keep your keys where you can easily access them. So that's a neat little idea. Clip seems like it's pretty good quality. It is plastic, so want to handle that with care. Again, this is not super sharp, but does have some sharpness to it. Side LEDs are amazing and they are bright. The main LED here for the flashlight portion is okay. You're gonna get a lot of run time out of this little light on the side. Now the run time on here is a little bit less with these side lights, but leave it on the lower light output. You should get some good run time on this. Probably one of the most unique lights I've tested in a while. It's always nice to get something like this. Overall, nice build quality. Feels rugged. It's got some good build quality on here. No issues. Well, I want to thank VSGO for sending me this Black Snipe EDC light to review. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, I will leave a link down below this video in the description box. Also working on a special discount code. If I do get that, that'll be there as well, and that should help you save some money on this light, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel. Otherwise, you can please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from VSGO to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.